I'm about to share 5 Chat GPT-4o prompts that 99% of its users don't know. You can't use Chat GPT-4o correctly without the correct prompt. This video will focus on these points to get the best prompt. So we will be talking about article prompts, subscribe prompts, business idea prompts, script prompts, and hook prompts. But I have a bonus tip for you. I will give you the hooks I use for my videos for free, so don't be distracted and stay tuned. Now let's talk about the article prompt. One mistake people make when it comes to the article prompt is that they type in the raw data into Chat GPT, which is wrong, for instance, about health improvement. Then they go to Chat GPT to type in, write an article about how to improve your health. That is bad because it's not a detailed prompt. But a detailed prompt like this is better. Write a comprehensive article exploring the potential applications and implications of how to improve your health in the field of health sector. Discuss the benefits and the challenges in health improvement. The article should be well structured, with a clear introduction, section, and conclusion, and should include supporting evidence and examples to illustrate the points made. It should come with a fully optimized SEO, making the article 4,000 characters long. All the best. As you can see, this prompt is a detailed one that will bring out the best outcome based on the topic and the well-structured statements. You can choose to bring the last statement. That is all the best you can copy this prompt if you want to generate an article with ChatGPT. But after the article has been generated, please make you proofread it so that it doesn't sound like AI generated article. Okay, the next prompt is the subscribe prompt. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this if you are getting a value from this video. ChatGPT's data has been programmed in a way that what you input is what you get. So if you input the correct prompt that I'm going to show you, the outcome of your prompt will be your desired request. Let's go ahead and talk about business prompts. When it comes to business ideas, ChatGPT can assist you in different ways, including competitor analysis, competition, and more. The first one is 1. Generate a market research report on industry or trends. This prompt helps ChatGPT to provide valuable insights and analysis on market trends and industries. Or you can say, create social media marketing campaigns for product or service. This one will make ChatGPT generate engaging social media content, hashtags, and marketing strategies. The next one is generate a competitive analysis report on company. ChatGPT will provide an in-depth analysis of a company's competitors, including strengths, weaknesses, and market positioning. So, guys, the next one on the list is the script prompt. Scripting is a very tedious task when it comes to content creation, but using the correct prompt that I'm about to show you, ChatGPT can help you with that. So let's see the prompt for the script. Let's say you are in the gaming niche. I create a gaming channel for beginner to intermediate players. I'm making a 10-minute video as a complete walkthrough guide for defeating the final boss in Call of Duty. I want the script to be well structured, informative, and engaging with some humor sprinkled in. So you can see that this prompt has a strong foundation and detailed examples, and also you can adjust the prompt to fit a specific video length in mind. You can leave that part out. This is what most people were waiting for. Hooks prompts. You see, in content creation, hooks play an important role, which is the opening part of your content that grabs the attention of the audience and compels them to keep watching. With the correct hook that I will show you, you will be able to generate an engaging hook to hook your audience to keep watching. Now, hook prompt goes like this. As a creator in the insert your niche or business, my goal is to entice my audience to insert your objectives. Provide 10 irresistible, engaging hooks that will captivate my audience and keep them hooked to watch more. So if you use a prompt like this, you will get a perfect hook generated by ChatGPT to hook your audience, which is very cool. The bonus tip is I'm going to give you some free hooks to use in your video creation. So the first one is 1. X is going to hate me for revealing this to you. 2. Let me save you some time, or let me save you some money. 3. Here's a simple hack to help you. 4. This is the most important thing you will watch. Anyways, guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay notified for more videos like this. But have you thought about how you are going to make money with ChatGPT in a lazy way? Click the video on your screen and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next ones.